Assalamu alaikum students. We are continuing our 8th chapter in geography and it's all about economic and occupation. We have completed many graphs and this was the also graph we have covered already and it is gross national income of India, Brazil and USA. We have learned that USA is a developed country far developed from India and Brazil. And about Brazil, the gross national income of Brazil is lesser than India. And so what the Brazil sell and what the economic activity of the Brazil, how it earn its economic. It is a world giant in mining. Mining means extraction of minerals, iron, copper, zinc, etc. Agriculture like sugarcane, coffee, I already told you. Whatever the food processing is there, it come into agriculture. Then manufacturing of car, anything, whatever the manufacturing, what is made in industry, it is manufacturing. And it's a strong and rapid growing service sector. The service sector you have seen tertiary. 71% people are working as a tertiary sector. So they are earning more income than India. On the other hand, Indians are depend on agriculture. Most of the people are doing agriculture for their livelihood. Service sector are increasing in India day by day. Different companies are coming. They are providing jobs to the people. Private companies are coming and providing jobs and opportunity to the people in the city area. But it is far less than Brazil if we compare. Indian economic and Brazil economic are mixed economic. Mixed economic means they are private and public both. Both Indian and Brazil economic are developing. They are not developed, they are still progressing. USA economic is developed. Here, please show. We have far right now. But the question is given, we have to use the table given on the left hand side and use it for making polyline graph with the help of computer over here. With the hand you can draw in your textbook. They can ask the question in the board also. To practice it once or twice. See the information they are giving. Per capita income in dollar from 1960 to 2010. So see, India का 1960 240, Brazil 90 is India, 3250 is USA. First of all, I will tell what is the meaning of per capita income. Per capita income means the overall earning of the country divided by its people. Overall earning of the country divided by its people. Suppose there are 3 persons, Ahmad, Sami, Adnan. Ahmad is earning 100 rupees, Sami is earning 80 rupees and Adnan is earning 120. Total is how much? 300. If we divide by 3%, 300 divided by 3% means 100 each. So per capita income will be 100. So it's an average of overall earning yearly basis, annually of a country. Per capita income show individual earning of the people. So Brazil in 1980 was 2010. India 280 and US is 14,232. See the graph on the right hand side. The green one showing USA, the blue one showing Brazil and the yellow one is showing India. India is just moving horizontal. Then Brazil is moving little bit and America is moving fast and vertical towards. See, in 2016, Brazil income is per person is earning per capita income. The income of individual person in Brazil is 8,840 and India is 1,680. USA 56,280. How much difference it is? See, India has a vast population, sir, so the earning is divided into its people. USA is also having a vast population, but it has lots of income, and it is calculated in dollar. See, developed country it is has a lots of technology and everything. The country has extent of many patent. What the patent means? It is a license or permission given to a particular company organization to produce a particular thing. For example, they are doing like example the current example is corona disease. So Bill Gates has got a patent permission or license. He is the only person whose organization Bill Gates and Melinda Foundation have the right to do the discovery of they can sell the coronavirus vaccine. Other company cannot sell. Even they can discover it. Why so? Because they will say we are doing the research from a lot of time. We are spending a lot of money. So we will only sell the fruits or harvest. Okay? We have done the invention. So they have patent for many things like computer technology, you can say, and other things also. They have most advanced technology. You can say Japan is advanced in technology, but USA give the blueprint of technology to Japan, and Japan is just copying it. You might be shocked of that. USA is more much advanced than any country. USA and Europe. They are sharing with their blueprint of that invention to other country and they are making it. And mechanical strength is also high in USA. That's why USA is developed. This is far ahead than India and Brazil. National per capita income is more. If we say India and Brazil, they both are developing. They both are developing. Education system, technology, advancement, in everything they are progressing. The right hand side India and the left hand side is Brazil. They are progressing, they are moving ahead. The national per capita of India is lowest in India. Now comes to another part, agriculture. Let's talk about agriculture. So here there are list in the index given coffee, the blue colors, bean, rice, the symbol is given yellow color for corn, sugarcane, green, and cocoa powder. You know, the cocoa, the fruits, the chocolate, Cadbury chocolate is derived from cocoa powder, rubber, banana, orange, and see on the map where the place it is shown. So you have the work to do now. Come on, give the answer. In which part of the Brazil is coffee mainly produced? See and search it. Pause the video for a minute and search yourself and get the answer. So it is given on which side? This side. Where? Here. This is the coffee bean. So it is produced in south and southeast part of Brazil. The answer will be south and southeast part of the Brazil. This type of question can be asked in the board exam. Which food crops are mainly grown in Brazil? So here rice, corn, they are grown over here. Soybean, they are produced mainly in Brazil. Next question. Can you relate the production of these crops with climate there? Yes, we can. Rice need water, paddy, rice, the crops, they need flooded area. The land should be flooded with water. Then only they grow. Even sugar cane, the corn, they also need water. So these plants they need water. That's why they are growing over here. And Brazil has lots of water. Alhamdulillah. Yes, climate it should be high, temperature should be high, and the water requirement is more. And the vast land, empty land is there. Rubber plantation is concentrated in. Can you say where the rubber plantation? The blue color. Find the index. The blue color is that, and it is shown in where the place is Amazon basin. The plantation concentrated in northwestern part. You have to give the direction also and the area in the Amazon river basin. Amazon river basin is from the it's a vast area. So you have to give northwestern part of the Amazon river basin. Direction as well as location you have to give. So complete the table. Food, corn, maize, central part. Rice, northeastern and southeastern part. Coffee, coastal region. Like this you have to give the go through it where it is meet. Pause the video, find the answer, check the answer. We have to practice it twice fast. You will be able to find the exact location. आपको समझ में आएगा. Agriculture in Brazil, the people are farmers are very rich because they have to sell it out and they're getting high price. Highland and coastal area they are doing the agriculture. Favorable climate topography make it possible for growing variety of crops where at the coastal and highland area. The inner area it is not possible. Rice and maize are grown. It is the peaks of India. It is not the peaks of Brazil, I think. Now see a maize plant area. The previous one was the rice plant. And this one is the maize plant. The corn, the popcorn you are eating now, that is from this plant. It needs water, it needs vast area. So production of rice is mainly concentrated in central part. See the yellow color that corn is given central part. Commercial crop they are not used for just for eating, rather for earning as a luxuries like this you can say. So rubber it is used for making tire and other things. Coffee these all are luxuries. They are not a crops for food grain crops. That's how you can say. Mm. So they bring earning. They are sold in a higher rate. These are the commercial crops that are cultivated largely in Brazil. See, Brazil is largest exporter of coffee and soybean in the world. It has a vast space and they are using it. See, soybean plantation. Coffee mainly grow in Minas Gerais and Sao Paulo. You can give the answer Sao Paulo if you don't remember the Minas Gerais. The fruits are this type of fruits are mainly grown in Brazil. They have savanna grassland. I said it is the vast grassland in the world. See this type of grassland is there. So Brazil is largest producer of cattle also. It is the number one producer of meat in the world. Argentina and Brazil. Now India comes largest producer of meat. See the cow are there. India is also the second largest after Brazil. Brazil is number one because it has a vast area of grassland. What is called as savanna grassland. See, the cow is used for meat and dairy products. People are using, and see the farmer who's using horse to ride them because he has lots of cow. One farmer has lots of cow, so he drives cow meat and dairy products from them. India में only one farmer had 2 or 3 cow. One he used to sold for meat purpose, beef purpose, then deriving dairy like this. See the minerals. What type of minerals are found in Brazil? Manganese, bauxite. Bauxite is the aluminium, ore of the aluminium. Iron ore and coal. See, we have to prepare the chart. Manganese northeastern part where it is found. So you have to just check the answer. Where is manganese found? The area is northeast part. You can find the answer northeast part here. In bauxite closer to the coastal line of the north. The cross part you can see, and northeast and southeast. Iron ore central and southeastern part. Coal is in South Brazil. In which part mining is not developed? What could be the reason? The central part mining is not developed. What the reason? Because accessibility. We cannot reach there. Minerals are there, but we cannot reach there due to climate, due to poor transport network, and due to dense forest. Not developed in Amazon River Basin area. Mining is not possible because inaccessibility. We cannot reach over there. Unfavorable climate condition means transport network is weak, rivers are there, and dense forests are there like this, and even the population is less. Considering the availability of the resource, where are the developed industry occurred? Developed industry occurred at the coastal area. So development has occurred in mainly in southeast and northeast area of Brazil. This area are developed. They have industry. The eastern part is rich in various type of minerals. What are they? See, iron ore, then manganese, nickel, copper, bauxite, tungsten, and diamond. They are rich in minerals. See this is the live example how the minerals are extracted. It's soil and other mountains. The rocks they have minerals, a particular minerals in it. Some the soil they are rich in copper. The copper is derived. Some soil are rich in aluminium, or that is called as bauxite. The aluminium is derived. They are rich in iron. The iron is derived. That particular area, that particular soil, they are rich in particular minerals. You can see more clear in this. See how the minerals are extracted over here. They are just soil, and they take it and they put in industry, and the minerals are derived from that. Fishing, nothing. To reason the concentration of fishing near the southeastern coastal area. The reason is that you can see the right hand side, the red line and the blue line having arrow. Right hand side, southeast part. See, the arrow is showing. See, because the warm current from the north part and the cold current from the south. So the cold current is called as Franklin current. The warm current, okay, from north part. They are coming. They are meeting together. Why they are not? Because equator is at the north, and the temperate region or the frozen region is at the south. So the current are coming from both the region. They are meeting there. So they are bringing foods for the fish like algae, etc. So because of that reason, the fish are grown over there. The second reason is you can see the continental shelf. Continent is finished, and you will see the ocean. Below the ocean bed या सी बेड पे जो कॉन्टिनेंटल बेड है वो बहुत वास्ट एरिया तक है. तो फिश कैन बी कॉश फ्रॉम दैट द सी बेड से कॉश किया जा सकता है. कॉन्टिनेंटल बेल्ट क्या है, बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा यहाँ पे वास्ट है, तो फिश कैन बी कॉस्ट ओवर देयर. इनलैंड फिशिंग इज नॉट डेवलप्ड बिकॉज पॉपुलेशन तो इतना कम है ब्राज़ील में. इतने खाने पीने का है तो कौन मगजमारी करेगा? Who will do? Or plus the main reason is the population. एंड दे गिवन बिकॉज वास्ट एंड डेंस फॉरेस्ट है, इक्वेटोरियल फॉरेस्ट है, मेक इट लार्ज इनएक्सेसिबल। तो लोग जो है वहाँ पे आदिवासी लोग खाना खाते अपना अपने लिए फिशिंग करते हैं। और जो फिशिंग भी है, क्योंकि उनको इतनी सारी चीज़ें तो न्यू चीज़ अप्लाई करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो ट्रेडिशनल मेथड प्रिमिटिव मेथड यूज़ करते हैं, पहले का मेथड। दिस इज अ सम रीजन फिशिंग इज नॉट डेवलप्ड। ब्राज़ील का कोस्टल एरिया कितना 7400 किलोमीटर है। जैसे द मोस्ट इट इज साउथ अटलांटिक ओशन में सबसे ज़्यादा होता है। मीटिंग ऑफ वार्म करंट एंड कोल्ड फ्रैंकलिन करंट गिव गुड फिशिंग डॉन। सी फिशिंग इज डन, it is done by individual, they are using not advanced method. Now some advanced method is applied by the government. Large vessel is used for fishing. What type of fish? Swordfish, shrimp, lobster, sardines, they are caught in Maran. The river, the Adivasi people or the forest who are living, they are doing that. Now come agriculture in India. We will make a separate lecture for it. Agriculture in India, will study and compare India and agriculture. Just I will say this I already explained to you in the beginning of first video. Tertiary Brazil have on the right hand side, see Brazil has 71% tertiary, the people are engaged in 71% in tertiary job. India 48.8% people are engaged in primary. Primary means farming, extraction of minerals, these all things. And earning of GDP is 67% from tertiary. India 57 from tertiary, but the population is more, means 17% जो engage है GDP आ रही है कहाँ से, इंडिया का 48% दे रहे लोग, तो इतना कम है इंडिया का जीडीपी इस तरह से मिल रहा है, तो पब्लिक के पास पैसा अर्निंग कम हो रहा है। आई कंटिन्यू दिस लेक्चर आफ्टरवर्ड्स इन द थर्ड वीडियो। अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।